Yo, what's happening, man? We back up in here with another one of them things. I don't think I gotta talk that loud today because I got my mic on. You know what I'm saying? I got where is it? Right here. Yeah, I got my old mic on, and I'm really trying it out. So, is that light back there too much? Let me see. Was it better with the light on? I don't even know how to turn this light on. There you go. I'm trying to see, was it better? Is it better with the light on? Okay, anyway. Man, what's going on? It's your dog, Big B Love, Mr. Animal himself, man. We back up in here with another one of them things. Y'all see, we in the man cave. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all see me looking off or whatever, it's because I got my phone over here making sure my camera lined up right. But yeah, so yeah, man, today is gonna be a little man cave video, man. As y'all can see behind me, man, baby blessed me with some wall art for the man cave. For the last couple of days, I've been calling myself cleaning up stuff, getting stuff out of here that really don't mean nothing, really don't matter. And that's what I've been doing. I'm really in the process of getting ready for the new year, man, with the merch. I ain't gonna say merch. I'm gonna say the clothing line. I ain't gonna say merch. We passed merch at this point. So I've been brainstorming while I've been taking this little break or whatever. Been brainstorming while I've been taking this break. I've been pretty much just trying to figure out new ideas and stuff to do for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that really makes sense. In the midst of that, I've learned that there's a couple of more people that has the same slogan, that is using the Ain't It Mine slogan. So we'll deal with that when we deal with that. Yeah. So I've been, you know what I'm saying, cleaning up, getting stuff out of the way. As y'all can see, I got some boxes over here. All of this stuff, man, see my camera. There we go. All of this stuff over here, man, is stuff that I have that ain't even been printed yet. So I got a lot of stuff to get started with, to go ahead, jumpstart me in the new year, get some stuff going. I got a few MayRose shirts and things like that. I got a few of those in there that I may just be giving away, man. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that, because I may be giving those away. I got some BeeloNation stuff that I may be giving away. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet, but yeah. So I just came in here. I just came here just now, man, and put my picture up. So y'all see my level still up here, but came here and put my picture up, man. Yeah. So we're trying to get everything decorated, man. The ceiling fan gotta go. The popcorn on the ceiling gotta go. I don't know about my boards. I'm gonna probably keep my boards, especially the whiteboard, because I don't know. I'm probably keep it. Just writing stuff down. But then again, I might not. I don't know. The calendar, I probably won't keep that. I'll probably put that in the garage or something. I don't know, man. Like, I'm really all over the place right now because I really was just I really just wanted to test out my mic, to see what the sound quality was on the videos with the mic. I've been saying a lot too, but we're getting closer to going ahead and getting the man cave together, man. We're gonna do y'all know we're doing that purple thing. Y'all seen my bar. Y'all seen all that. I've been thinking about getting me a humidor, a big wall humidor. I think it hold like 4,000 cigars or something like that, but I don't think I'm ready for that yet. But I've been thinking about that. What else? I got some clothes and stuff, man, in here that I gotta give to the Goodwill and stuff like that. But really, we just been planning. I've been planning a lot. Trying to get ready for, like I said, for the 2025 season. As far as the merch, as far as the clothing line. I keep saying, I can't stop saying, Used to be, I couldn't stop saying ain't man. I mean, stop saying mine. Now I can't stop saying, got some booty shorts. Y'all see them old booty shorts there. Yeah. Still got that going on. What else? That might be about it though, man. That might be it. I gotta get this out of here because I know for sure I won't be using these bubble mailers no more. Not for the clothes. Not for the clothes and whatnot. I won't be using that. So gonna get that up out of here. I had some bags and stuff. I think I'm finna go custom everything. Custom bags, custom bubble mailers, custom gift bags, everything that I can come up with that I can customize. I think I'm finna go full throttle, get everything together for y'all's pleasure. So yeah, this video is probably gonna be a continuation of where it's gonna be. I ain't gonna say it's gonna be a continuation, but it's probably gonna have another part to it. I just wanted to come in here and let y'all know that we're still here, we're still doing this. I gotta go buy getting some more hats and stuff. I got some skull caps right here, but I gotta go and get some more. And I have, what them other hats at? I don't know what the other, oh, here they go. Here go all the other hats. These are the blanks. All the other hat blanks. And then I have some distressed hats in here as well. So I'm gonna try my hand at those as well. Y'all see that distressed hat? Try my hand at those as well. I did show y'all the new logo, but it was just in one video, so y'all really probably ain't pay too much attention to it. But we running with that. We're gonna run with that new logo. We're gonna get everything together the way it need to be. And I really plan on doing, oh man, put these back in there. I plan on doing a tour, man. I plan on doing an Ain't It Mine tour, to where I'm finna go on tour with the clothing line, and we're gonna probably we're gonna let y'all know ahead of time where we're gonna be at. Man, we're gonna pull up in y'all city. We're gonna have a ball, man. Whether I do a giveaway, whether I do a sale, whatever it is, we're gonna pull up in y'all city, and I'm gonna try to get it together so that I can interact with y'all. Y'all can interact with me. Might have the car, might not. I can't say. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might have the car with me. I might not. So me and Ashley got some stuff planned to where we might be out in your city, out in traffic a lot. So yeah, so I ain't gonna draw y'all out no longer than what I got to. So I just want to let y'all know we're making progress. Look, I hung a picture. Next time y'all come here, the wall might be painted. You know what I'm saying? So I'm making progress, doing that. Definitely gotta get some new doors. I'm gonna definitely get some new doors. This door right here, the door over there, and I gotta cut my ventilation system. Once I cut my ventilation system, then I can sit back here and put my little couch in here. I can sit back in here. I can smoke back here. Then I can smoke on the inside. Rain, sleet, or snow, I can be in here blowing my cigars, watching my TV, having man time. Everybody like to have a little man time. You know what I'm saying? A man anyway. Man like to have a little man time. We just sit back, smoke a cigar, drink his whiskey, or whatever it is you do, work on your car, whatever it is. You like to do it peacefully. That's where I'm at. I'm gonna have me a little couch. Have a little couch back in this area back here. My TV gonna be here. I might have another chair over here somewhere. Put another chair over here. Have me a little small sofa. I can sit there, smoke me a cigar. The ventilation will take out the smoke outside. Yeah, I got it mapped out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this wall. We'll figure it out though. It ain't gonna be hard to figure it out. Look, my wife is an architect, I believe. She's definitely an interior decorator, so something gonna be on this wall. We'll figure it out. Probably give me some pictures. Oh, excuse me. Give me some more pictures and stuff, man. Like I said, that right there might not go in the man cave because at this point it look kind of tacky, so that might not stay. But we definitely gonna have us a good time in here when we get all this stuff together. So, yeah, let me go ahead and let y'all go, man. I'll see y'all in a minute.